Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and join the family today. I am participating in a collaboration with At Home with Zane. Zane has asked us to prepare our favorite tray, and the name of this collaboration is My Tray Display. The rules of the collaboration are we must have a candle and we must have a vase or a vase-like vessel. So what I've chosen are some of my blue and white pieces. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, then you know that I collect blue and white ceramic pieces. Ginger jars, vases, bowls, the carpet balls, everything blue and white I love. So I pulled together a few of my favorite pieces for this collaboration. I hope you like it. The 3 vases that I am showing today were purchased at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. The yellow flowers are from the Dollar Tree. The 2 white candles are also from the Dollar Tree. And the glass candle holders are from a store that went out of business, and I want to say it was Linens and Things or something like that. Yeah, Linens and Things. Years ago. I've had those for a long time. And the tray, the mirrored tray, the blue mirrored tray that is, I picked up from Home Goods last year. It was sitting in my garage and I pulled it out for this collaboration. So I hope you like what I've done with these vases. I've arranged them in 2 different ways, so you'll see that as well. One with 3 of the vases and one with 2. But I'm hoping I'm staying within Zane's rules by having a candle in a vase or vase-like vessel. So again, these are some of my favorite pieces. The blue and white I absolutely love. So I will leave Zane's information down in the description box, as well as the link to everyone else who's participating in this collaboration. The playlist, I believe Zane will give that to us, and that should be linked down below as well. Thank you for riding with me, and have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.